Today we're playing freeze tag. Great for physicality, bold initiatives, and quick edits. To start, two players take to the stage, and the audience gives them suggestions for a location and a relationship. Then, the two players move around in their space until one of the callers on the side yells, "Freeze!" Then, in that moment, one of the players initiates a scene, and the other player has to go along, and comedy ensues. Until a caller yells out, "Freeze!" Then that scene is frozen until the caller comes and replaces one of the players. And they take that initial pose and deliver a line, and boom, a new scene begins until someone else yells, "Freeze!" And then we got another scene, and so on and so forth. That's freeze tag. You ready? Our location to start: the Grand Canyon. The relationship: husband and wife. Freeze.
Way. You can see all the way down to the Colorado River. Marcos, por favor, don't lean so far. You're giving me palpitations.
Come on.
Oy vey, you said that wasn't spontaneous enough? Try on one foot.
Ay.
Dios mío. Bien. Now, ojos closed. Mark, this is juvenile.
Is this not spontaneity? Next, brazos extendidos. King of the world style.
If we want to go full Thelma and Louise, on three.
Wait, what? Freeze.
My therapist said this posture promotes trust and openness. You mean your yoga instructor who is moonlighting as a life coach? Shh. Now, whisper something vulnerable. Okay, I'm worried you're attracted to your yoga therapist.
And I'm worried you don't find me attractive like he does.
I don't. I find you attractive like he finds me attractive. You mean he's... Yes!
Freeze. Make two bunny ears. Now cross them and pull tight. No, those are teddy bear ears. Too small, too much slack, you'll fall. Just like you did on the Henderson case.
I went with my gut instinct.
You don't follow your gut on a multi-million-dollar deal. You listen to me.
There. Bunny ears.
Those are fox ears. Still too small. Forget. I'm getting you Velcro. And you can take those Velcro shoes, walk right out of here. And while you're at it, get a new wardrobe. Freeze.